Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be reviewing two of the most popular air fryers in the market, the Secura air fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. We'll discuss their features and compare them in different categories to help you make an informed decision. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. The Secura air fryer is priced at $56, while the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer is priced at $139. The latter is significantly more expensive than the former. The Secura air fryer can hold up to 5.3 quarts of food, making it one of the largest fryers in the market. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer can hold up to 6 quarts of food. Both air fryers offer multiple functionalities such as roasting, baking, and grilling. However, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer offers more options, including dehydrating food. Both air fryers use convection technology for fast and even frying with little to no oil. The Instant Vortex Plus air fryer adds a technology called Even Crisp, allowing for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Both air fryers have adjustable temperature controls ranging from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer offers more customized and one-touch smart programs for dishes like wings, roasted veggies, and even cinnamon buns. Both air fryers have non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets and trays for easy cleaning, but the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer also has a clear window and internal light to easily monitor cooking progress without opening the basket. That concludes our review of the Secura air fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. Overall, both air fryers are great options, but it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful product reviews.